Welcome. So in the last video, we learned that what is Java, what is programming language, what is program. Okay. So moving forward, mm, if we read the definition of Java carefully, we will get some keywords, some terms like object-oriented, high-level, platform-independent. Mm. So there are some frequently asked questions on this keywords or on this term are like what why Java is called object oriented programming language, what do you mean by high level programming language, why Java is platform independent. These are the frequently asked questions about these terms. Okay, so to understand these terms, it what it actually means, we have to know that how many types of programming language are there. Okay, because once we will know that how many programming language are there, we will able to understand what is object oriented, what is high level, and what is platform independent, whatever. Okay, so moving forward, um, if we look about the types of programming language, so according to generation there are five types of programming language. Okay. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Okay, so first generation of programming language refers to machine level language. Okay, second generation refers to assembly level language. Third generation refers to high level language, that means C, C++, Java. All these programming language comes under high level language. Okay. Then fourth generation refers to the very high level language, that means SQL, structured query language. Such language are comes under very high level language. And the fifth generation used to make artificial intelligence. Visual Basic is the best example, we may say, for the fifth generation. Okay, according to our syllabus, high level language um, is the language which we have to learn. Okay, so if you want to understand each and every language, that what they actually mean, just tell me. I will make a separate video for them, so that you will be able to understand that what is machine level, what is assembly, and whatever. Okay, so moving forward, focusing on our syllabus, dealing with high level language, first question appears in our mind is what is high level language. Okay, so a high level language is programming language that enables development of a program in a much more user friendly programming context. Okay, it is generally independent of computers hardware architecture. Okay, that means high level language makes the programming language much more easier for the developer. Okay, we can easily write the codes, and it is much more easier than machine level language and assembly level language. Okay, and these languages are platform independent, that means our hardware architecture independent of hardware architecture. It does not depend on a specific type of computer or hardware. Okay, so types of high level language, there are many types of high level language, but we are going to deal with only two which are given in our syllabus, that is procedure oriented programming language and object oriented programming language. We are going to discuss about only these two as it is given in our syllabus. So in this video we learned that what do you mean by, or what is meant by high level programming language. Okay, that's it for this video, and we will learn about POP, that means procedure oriented programming language, and object oriented programming language separate. Okay, so for um, understanding what is POP and what is OOP, stay tuned and wait for the upcoming videos. Thank you.